Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we will create cloth textures using shape dynamics. Select a scratchy texture brush, open brush setting panel and also click shape dynamics for brush variation. Add moderate size jitter and also add small angles jitter for thread movement. Increase roundness jitter slightly. Start painting horizontal strokes. Add vertical strokes for waving effect. Adjust pressure for texture density. Darken areas for fabric depth. Add highlight and raised fiber. Build layered gradually. Shape dynamics make the fabric look authentic, and that's how you paint cloth texture.